Hello guys, this is Uno once again signing in YouTube, and I want to teach you another tutorial. The title of my tutorial is this: Uno mas tutorial how to make a some IDs look like special, example mymts.in or any other exploit IDs using inspect elements Uno mas style for my YRP and Vibers clan. You know guys, you already know that there are many exploit IDs roaming around in Yahoo chat room, so I want to make this fast, clear and easy. So let's do this using inspect elements. Okay, first you must copy paste this link here, copy and notepad here, copy paste this link. Once you copy paste this link, put it in your local browser, you will end up in a sign up page like this. Put in the name, gender, month, date. Okay, from yahoo.com mymts, put in the password. I'm putting in now select questions and answers, then type in the captcha. Now once you do that here, the mymts here, right click your mouse, then go to inspect elements. Okay, right click here, then go to inspect elements, click in here, click that. You must put it in your Google browser. Okay, Google browser. Okay, once you done that here, okay, once you done that, click in the select this arrow, select here, this arrow must go down, select here, this one, and see it goes down. Now let's scroll it downward. You will see an mymts.in below yahoo.com here, value options. Right click here, right click your mouse, go to edit attribute, go to edit attribute, right click, go to edit attribute, click edit attribute, then edit it. From mymts.com.in, delete the dot, and you may put in h, number, 8, 0, any number, any letter, plus sign, dash sign. I will put in a X sign. Oh, maybe letter T. Okay, or you may put in plus sign or dash sign here. Yeah. Same goes, right click, edit text. The other one here, right click, edit text, and okay, delete the dot sign, put in the dash, and as you can see in here, it is already dash. Okay, now put in the ID. I will make an ID. You may put in a flash sign. And just like that. Okay, I put in dots here, dots there. Oh wait, no double dots. That's there, there. And go school girl. Now scroll the captcha, create my account. Okay, you can wait, you can edit it again. Okay, you can edit it again. Okay, edit attribute, right click once, edit attribute, dash, right click, edit text, delete the dot sign, put in the dash, and go from here, and let's go from here. Okay, There it goes. Girl. Let's see the dots. Here. Goes. Motion that scroll. TB3 6J6 GJ to create my account, and we already did something great. Okay, using inspect elements. Purgle meets copy at mid slash that the dot in is no more. Okay, I can continue. Sign up. So that's it. That's how we make some changes in exploit ID. So this is Shonoman signing out in YouTube. Bye guys.